Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the file into your DAW or editor, and you immediately make a duplicate. This preserves the original. Next, scan visually and by listening to locate segments where the background voice is strongest versus the main audio. Once done, add markers at those points and solo channels if available. Also, set project sample rate to match the original file. Mismatched rates create artifacts. Finally, save incremental versions so you can revert if a processing chain fails. You now switch to spectral or frequency view and visually select the bands where the unwanted voice lives. Reduce their gain gently so you avoid hollowing the main audio. Then run a noise reduction pass with a short, conservative profile and compare before/after. If the mix is complex, use a source separation model to extract stems, then mute or lower the background voice stem. Make sure to render test snippets repeatedly. Small adjustments compound, so listen at normal playback levels. You finish by rebalancing with EQ to restore body loss during subtraction and apply gentle compression so the main voice sits consistently. Next, use a deesser to tame sibilance and, if needed, transient shaping for clarity. Once satisfied, export a high-quality WAV and a compressed MP3 backup and label versions clearly. If you hear breathing or metallic artifacts, revert to an earlier copy and rerun reductions with milder settings. This trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.